Hello RV lovers, this is Mary at BISH'S RV. I have behind me a 2020 Revel. This is a Winnebago Revel. They're a rare find, and so this is not going to last long, so I'd like to show you a little bit of the features inside. So as you can see here, we've got an open area here. There's a lot of headroom in these units. This actually can seat 2 small kids, and then you've got leather seats here. It's low mileage for a great unit to take on an adventure. It's ready to go. And so if you see in the bathroom here, they've got great shelving that it's almost like a utility closet when you're not using it. So you can take these bamboo shelves out, they're great. So as you can see, the bed, it's pretty high, and this is in the down position right now. So there's plenty of room here because there's bump outs on both sides. But this bed goes all the way to the ceiling. So you can store your dog crates, your kayaks, your paddle boards, your gear in the under area because it becomes like a toy hauler. So this is where you're going to have your little kitchen area. You've got your induction stovetop, and you've got your sink right here. Cabinets all around, and your fridge is down below.